Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the bookback exercise of the lesson We Need Clean Air. Okay, fill in the blanks. We can feel the air when it blows against our faces as a breeze. The layer of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Air contains dash and dust particles. Air contains water vapor. Air is needed for dash and dash. Breathing and burning. We should use dash transport to keep the air clean. Use public. Next, choose the correct answer. The air that surrounds the earth is called the breeze, atmosphere, wind, none of this. Atmosphere. Water vapor is formed when water is cooled, stored, heated, none of this. Heated. Exhaust fumes are given out by cars, scooters, motorcycle, all of this. All of this. To keep the air clean, we should use dash transport. Public, private, both, none of this. Public. Understood? Next. Match the rows. Pollution, coughing and asthma. Oxygen, helps to burn things. Cars and buses release exhaust fumes. Plants filter dust from the air. Aerosols, gases from sprays, air conditioners. Next, write true or false. When air becomes dirty or polluted, it becomes comfortable to breathe. False. Pollution harms plants and animals as well. True. The oxygen present in air does not help us in burning things. False. Buses, cars, scooters releases exhaust fumes that are harmful. True. We can compost dead leaves in order to keep the air clean. Answer the following question. What is atmosphere? A layer of air surrounds on earth. It is called atmosphere. Okay. Next, what is air made up of? Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Why is air useful to us? Air is needed for breathing, air is needed for burning. Next, give 4 causes of air pollution. Smoke from burning smokes from burning of leaves, rubber, rubbish or other things. Exhaust fumes from buses, cars, scooters and other vehicles. Smokes from factory chimneys. Speeding cars that raise the dust on roads. Next. Give 3 ways in which we can keep the air clean. Walk or ride a cycle when we can. Use public transport such as buses, metros and local trains. Carpool or reduce the use of sprays. Write any 4. Okay. Any 3. Okay. For this we finished our We Need Clean Air. Tomorrow we will see 18th lesson, Heavenly Bodies, the earth, the sun, the moon and the stars. Okay. Thank you.